Your BIBO bar is also able to dispense ambient temperature water. You first need to ensure that you have the correct settings saved. Please refer to the Menu Settings Water Quantities video to do this. Here are the easy steps to follow if you would like to enjoy this feature. Place your cup, mug or bottle under the water outlet. Select the Ambient Water button and water will start to flow. A measured amount of chilled water will dispense, followed by a measured amount of boiling water. Once your container has filled to your preset milliliters, the water will stop automatically. You can, however, stop the flow at any time by pressing any button. But because the water dispenses on a ratio of hot and cold, the preferred temperature may be impacted if stopped early. That's ambient water at your fingertips. Drinking water has never been this delicious. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.